Hello and welcome to Garden and Allotment Tips podcast hosted by Gardening with Ben. If you've not checked out my main podcast channel, go and check that out. Search for Gardening with Ben on any podcast platform and you will be able to find it, and there's absolutely loads of episodes on there for you to listen to. But this podcast is mainly just talking about one sort of tip and advice each episode. And I just want to say thank you to everybody that is streaming these podcasts. The figures are getting higher and higher each day. It's unbelievable how many people listen to them, so thank you very much. And if you're new to the podcast channel, make sure you click that follow button and subscribe button and you'll get notified when new podcasts come up. And yeah, just get streaming them all and get listening to all my episodes. And if you've got any questions, you can always drop me a message on Instagram and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Just search for Gardening with Ben on Instagram, or I'm on Facebook and I'm on TikTok. No dancing from Gardening with Ben though. So today's episode, we're going to talk a bit about why we should deadhead flowers. Now, a lot of you might think, I haven't got time to be deadheading flowers. It's too much of a chore. Takes up too much time. Well, it doesn't. And the reason why it doesn't take up too much time is that if you start off going well with it and going round on a daily basis, I would suggest, if you've got if it's your garden, but if it's your allotment, obviously you might not be down there every day. Try and do it at least once a week or twice a week. And just going round, and it'll only take you literally 10 minutes just to go around and deadhead all the flowers that have died. Really, the same goes for roses, your geraniums, your petunias, anything that has started to die. And the reason why we need to do this is because wherever that dead flower is on the end of the plant will still be giving energy and nutrients to that flower, and it will be putting energy into that when it should be putting it into growing new flowers and putting its strength into growing new stuff. So you need to make sure that you do this on a regular basis. Obviously, after it's been a flower, sometimes the flowers turn to seeds, so it's again putting its energy into it. And this mainly goes as well for sweet peas. If you are growing sweet peas, they are a flower that you do need to cut off and take home with you. Yes, they look nice on the plant, but do not leave them on the plant for long, because they will start to go to seed. And when the sweet peas go to seed, that means the plant thinks that it has come to its end of its life, and it will start to die back and finish, really. You'll start to lose your sweet pea plants. And the more you pick them flowers, the more flowers will grow off it, and it will grow more bushier and get loads and loads of flowers growing on it. And sweet peas are one of the best flowers that you can grow in a garden, and it's an old kitchen garden favourite. So if you've got it growing in your garden, absolutely fantastic. Unfortunately, the slugs or the mice ate mine, so I've not got no sweet peas this year, which is an absolute shame, because I have had some fantastic displays from my sweet peas in the past. I'm so upset that they've not grown this year. I'm going to have to look at new ways of growing them next year and see if we can have better success some other ways. If anybody else has got any other suggestions on how to grow them, please do get in touch with me and let me know how you grow sweet peas to stop all the slugs and the mice eating them. I really do need your tips and advice as well. Yes, I may be the one giving out tips and advice, but I do ask for tips and advice all the time. Being a gardener, you're always learning new ways, new tips, new methods, and you never stop learning with gardening as well. It's something that you'll continue to learn year after year, day after day. I'm learning new tips every single day, and that's why we should get rid of the dead flowers off the plants, because if you don't get rid of them, you won't get new life and you won't get blooms throughout the summer. And if you do this all the time, go around deadheading, you can be getting flowers off these plants all the way into October. If it's a nice October, you could be having flowers in your garden right up until October. Keep them flowers going as long as possible. Now, sweet peas will flower until October if you keep picking them regularly, and yeah, they might start to look a bit untidy eventually, but you can still be getting flowers in your garden all the way up to October. So if you're growing flowers in your garden, go around every single morning. It only takes you 10 minutes. That 10 minutes when you sat there watching TV in the morning or watching the news, go around and get some fresh air, get out in the sunshine and get some flowers deadheaded. And yeah, if you're good at pressing flowers, why not have a go at pressing them as well and making some cards or displays from them all as well. Just go and spend some quality time outside in the fresh air before you go to work as well. It'll start your day off really good, getting out in the garden. I know I love to go in the garden every single morning when I'm off work, so yeah, make the most of it, get some sunshine and get them flowers deadheaded. Make sure you come back for another episode of Gardening and Allotment Tips, a nice short single episode and quick and easy to listen to. So if you are new to this podcast, do click that follow and subscribe button and you will get notified when new podcasts come up, and keep streaming them as well. We're getting so many listeners at the moment. I've not quite hit my goal yet. I've set myself a little target, a little goal on how many podcasts each day I want listened to, so we're still building on it at the moment, so keep on listening and hopefully we'll get there. So until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep gardening and keep listening to Gardening with Ben's podcasts.